In the vast and intricate tapestry of life on our planet, there exists a constant, often brutal struggle for survival. When you think of the world's most dangerous animals, your mind may conjure images of powerful predators, fearsome teeth and claws. But the real killers, the creatures responsible for the greatest loss of human life, may surprise you. Today, we peel back the curtain and count down the top 10 most dangerous animals on Earth, by how many people they actually kill each year. We begin in arid, sun-scorched deserts and scrublands where an ancient predator hides beneath stones. The scorpion, an arachnid perfected over hundreds of millions of years. Only a small fraction, perhaps 25 species, carry venom potent enough to kill a human. In remote regions without antivenom and care, stings can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and thousands of deaths each year. Across African savannas and Asian forests live the elephant, immense, intelligent, and usually gentle. But these giants can be deadly when threatened, especially mothers protecting calves or bulls in musts. As habitat shrinks and migration routes are blocked, tragic encounters rise. Around 500 people die each year in elephant-related incidents. In the rivers and lakes of sub-Saharan Africa, an animal that seems placid can be lethal. The hippopotamus, massive jaws, half-meter tusks, and fierce territorial instincts. Surprisingly fast on land, a hippo can crush boats and outrun a human, causing over 500 deaths annually. A dangerous, unpredictable neighbor in the water. Lurking at the water's edge. A living dinosaur, the crocodile, an ambush specialist. They lie still, invisible, waiting for prey to approach the shore. Explosive power and the strongest bite in the animal kingdom, they drag victims beneath the surface. Crocodiles kill hundreds, perhaps over 1,000 people each year where humans share waterways with them. Not a predator in the everyday sense, the humble freshwater snail is a crucial link in a deadly parasite cycle. Found across tropical rivers in Africa, Asia, and South America, snails release larvae that penetrate human skin. Those larvae mature in the bloodstream, produce eggs, and lodge in organs, causing schistosomiasis. Millions affected, tens of thousands die each year from complications and organ damage. In the woodlands and savannas of Africa, a tiny fly spreads a devastating disease. The tsetse fly transmits trypanosomes, the cause of African sleeping sickness. Initial fever and headaches progress as parasites invade the brain, disrupting sleep, cognition, and personality. Without treatment, coma and death follow. Control efforts help, but the fly still claims thousands. A beloved companion worldwide, the dog, can become deadly when infected with rabies. Where stray populations and low vaccination leave gaps, rabies circulates unabated. Rabies attacks the brain and spinal cord, and once symptoms appear, it is almost always fatal. Yet post-exposure prophylaxis and vaccination prevent nearly all these tens of thousands of deaths each year. Found on every continent except Antarctica, snakes are diverse, most harmless, some lethally venomous. Species like cobras, vipers, mambas, and taipans deliver venom that can kill within minutes. Venom can be neurotoxic, causing paralysis or hemotoxic, destroying tissues and blood, leading to deaths and lifelong disability. Over 100,000 people die from snakebite each year, mostly in poor rural communities. For our second most dangerous animal, we only need to look in the mirror, Homo sapiens. No other species has had such a profound and often devastating impact on others and on itself. Through war, violence, environmental destruction, and indirect effects like famine and disease, humans cause over 400,000 human deaths each year, a sobering measure of our complex nature. At the top of our list, a fragile insect that weighs mere milligrams. The mosquito. Not a killer itself, but a flying hypodermic needle. A vector that transmits deadly diseases. Malaria. A parasitic disease that kills hundreds of thousands, mostly children under 5. Dengue. Severe fever and shock increasing across tropical cities. Zika. Fetal risk and neurological impacts. Yellow fever. Vaccine preventable but still deadly where coverage lapses. West Nile and other viruses also add to the toll. Combined mosquito-borne diseases kill well over 700,000 people every year, the deadliest tally of any animal. So there we have it, the top 10 based on human deaths, from scorpions and snails to crocodiles, hippos, elephants, snakes, tsetse flies, dogs with rabies, and, at number 1, the mosquito. Huge predators may look scarier, but smaller creatures and our own actions cause the greatest toll. Understanding these dangers is the first step toward mitigation, through medicine, vaccination, conservation, and respect for habitats. Surprised? Let us know which animal shocked you most. and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening journeys.